This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of machinists and machining and tooling inspectors and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Machinists and Machining and Tooling Inspectors. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Lily and welcome to our channel A to Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC Code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with a profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and AMP, main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC code for the profile of machinists and machining and tooling inspectors is 7231. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of machinists and machining and tooling inspectors is as follows. Machinists set up and operate a variety of machine tools to cut or grind metal, plastic or other materials to make or modify parts or products with precise dimensions. Machining and tooling inspectors inspect machined parts and tooling in order to maintain quality control standards. They are employed by machinery, equipment, motor vehicle, automotive parts, aircraft, and other metal products manufacturing companies and by machine shops.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of machinists and machining and tooling inspectors are as follows. Read and interpret engineering drawings, blueprints, charts and tables or study sample parts to determine machining operation to be performed, and plan best sequence of operations. Compute dimensions and tolerances and measure and lay out work pieces. Set up, operate and maintain a variety of machine tools including computer numerically controlled, CNC, tools to perform precision, non-repetitive machining operations such as sawing, turning, milling, boring, planing, drilling, precision grinding and other operations. Fit and assemble machined metal parts and sub-assemblies using hand and power tools. Verify dimensions of products for accuracy and conformance to specifications using precision measuring instruments. May set up and program machine tools for use by machining tool operators. Machining and tooling inspectors perform some or all of the following duties. Verify dimensions of machined parts or tooling using micrometers, verniers, calipers, height gauges, optical comparators, coordinate measuring machines, CMM, or other specialized measuring instruments. Maintain, repair and calibrate precision measuring instruments such as dial indicators, fixed gauges, height gauges and other measuring devices. Report deviations from specifications and tolerances to supervisor. Complete and maintain inspection reports.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it. The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education. 2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of machinists and machining and tooling inspectors. Completion of secondary school is usually required. Completion of a 4-year apprenticeship program or a combination of over 4 years of work experience and industry courses in machining is usually required to be eligible for trade certification. Trade certification for machinists is available, but voluntary, in all provinces and territories. Trade certification for tool and gauge inspectors is available, but voluntary, in Ontario. Trade certification for machinists, CNC, is available, but voluntary, in New Brunswick, Quebec, and Manitoba. Several years of experience as a machinist, tool and die maker or machining tool operator may be required for machining and tooling inspectors. Red Seal endorsement is also available to qualified machinists upon successful completion of the interprovincial Red Seal examination.
Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles.
So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry.
Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market.
We will also see the exclusions list,
that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile.
So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of machinists and machining and tooling inspectors are as follows: Automotive Machinist, Aviation Machinist, General Machinist, Machine Shop Inspector. The list is quite large, so, if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. CAD/CAM programmers, C-2233 industrial engineering and manufacturing technologists and technicians. Contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations, C-7201 contractors and supervisors, machining, metal forming, shaping and erecting trades and related occupations. Machining tool operators, C-9417 machining tool operators. Tool and die makers, C-7232 tool and die makers. So, this was all about the profile of machinists and machining and tooling inspectors with NOC Code 7231.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited helps you to migrate to Canada on work permit or on PR. Our motive is to convert your immigration dreams into reality. We assist you in Canadian-style resume and cover letter preparation, mapping the best employment opportunities with your skill set, employment consultation and job search, online skill profile preparation and branding, education credential assessment filing Canada, migration skill assessment filing Australia, expression of interest EOI filing, LMIA, work visa, PR, business visa filing. If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities.
We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC). So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company.
Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education,
experience,
English language capability,
spouse's educations and experience,
employment availability through LMIA,
provincial nomination extra. We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers. You can have online
consultancy sessions, assessment application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts.
If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration,
then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country.
So, if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe,
like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.